Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an exploding text effect in Video Star. So this is actually really easy, so just pay attention. So to begin with, you're going to want to press New and then press Multi-Layer, and then change the background to whatever you want it. So you can add a solid color, you can add maybe a picture or a video. For this tutorial, I'm just going to use a black solid layer. So I'm just going to change the background, basically. Okay, now press on 1 and then press on animated text and use whatever text you want and then press save. Now press on this text icon and then scroll all the way over until you find explode, or just look it up in the search tool. Once you get to here, you can choose any one of these options. It doesn't really matter, it's all up to you, but for this tutorial I'm just going to use the first one. Now press on layer 1 and then press on edit keyframes and then make sure that you get to the text layer. If you're not on it, just click on the icon in the corner until it gets to the text one. Now we're going to set it at 0%. Then drag this little thing in the timeline. I really don't know what to call it, guys. Just drag it over to where you want your explosion to start. So I'll drag it over like right here. Now drag the little slider thing to where you want your effect to end. Now once you're there, drag this text slider all the way up and then press on this straight line, press on custom or this option if you really want to, and then make your graph look like mine. I prefer using custom graphs because they can help you be more precise, but it's all up to you. I'm actually going to drag this out a little bit more. Okay, so once you have it, go to the marker that indicates where the effect ends, and then press on this text icon until you get to opacity, and then just drag the opacity all the way down to 0. Now go to about a third of the way in between the keyframes that indicate the actual effect and place down an opacity keyframe and drag the slider all the way down to 0. Okay, so once you have that, press on back, and then I totally forgot to explain this while I was filming, but that slider right there just indicates the direction the letters explode in. Okay, so once you're done, press on create, wait for it to load, and that's literally it, guys. Press done. And yeah, hopefully you guys liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!